Welcome to Crypto Whale Global Community. Faith Token is a digital asset based on blockchain technology, aiming to build a global faith network. Faith tokens can be used to purchase services and products on various faith networks, as well as participate in the governance and decision-making process of the faith network. The characteristics of faith tokens are as follows. 1. Uniqueness. Faith token is a brand new digital asset. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, it represents a belief in values and has unique value and meaning. 2. Security. Faith tokens are based on blockchain technology and have the characteristics of decentralization, transparency, and security, which can effectively prevent fraud and hacker attacks. 3. Wide range of uses. Faith tokens can be used to purchase various services and products on the Faith network, and can also be used to participate in the governance and decision-making process of the Faith network, with a wide range of application scenarios. How to receive the airdrop. Leave your core wallet address and it will be distributed uniformly. Invite friends to the Telegram group. In order to promote Faith tokens, we have launched a task to invite friends. The specific tasks include inviting friends to join the Faith community, helping friends better understand and use Faith tokens, participating in Faith network activities and projects, etc. Friends who successfully invite will receive a reward of 100,000 Faith tokens. The inviter who invites 5 people will receive a reward of 250,000. Your friends are your walking money. In order to encourage more people to participate in the construction and development of Faith communities, we have launched an event to pledge Faith token. The specific staking time and reward amount can be determined based on the participants' staking amount and performance. This is a long-term and effective activity, and everyone is welcome to actively participate. This video is made by Crypto Whale Community. Thanks for watching.